Farming is one of the most unpredictable professions in the world. Even with the best planning, farmers face challenges they can't control, like unexpected weather changes, pest infestations, or market price drops. In the UAE, where farming conditions are extreme due to high temperatures and water scarcity, these risks are magnified. Crop insurance is a critical tool that helps farmers manage these risks. It provides financial protection when things go wrong, ensuring farmers can recover and continue growing crops. This book explains everything you need to know about crop insurance, whether you're a farmer, policymaker, or just someone curious about the topic. What does crop insurance do? Crop insurance provides financial help to farmers when their crops are damaged or their income is affected by external factors. For example, if a farmer loses 50% of their wheat crop because of a drought, crop insurance can pay for part of that loss, helping the farmer avoid financial ruin. Different types of crop insurance. Yield insurance protects against crop yield dropping below a specific amount. Weather insurance covers damage caused by unusual weather, like too much or too little rain. Revenue insurance protects against both yield losses and price drops. Comprehensive insurance combines multiple types of coverage, protecting against pests, diseases, weather, and market risks. Why crop insurance is different in arid regions. In places like the UAE, crop insurance policies need to address risks that are unique to arid climates, like extreme heat, soil salinity, and limited water resources. Policies are often tailored to include coverage for modern farming methods like greenhouse farming. What farmers grow in the UAE? The UAE grows crops like dates, one of the most important traditional crops, vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and leafy greens, which are common in greenhouses, and animal feed like alfalfa and other forage crops that support the livestock industry. The challenges. Farmers face high costs, as farming in the UAE requires advanced technology, which can be expensive. Unpredictable rainfall, where rain is scarce, and when it does come, it can cause flooding instead of helping. Dependency on imports, as farmers rely on imported seeds, fertilizers, and equipment, which can be disrupted by global supply chain issues. How the government helps farmers. The UAE has initiatives like the National Food Security Strategy 2051, which aims to support local farming, reduce dependence on imports, and promote sustainable practices. Subsidies, training, and research programs are also available. The role of imported inputs in UAE agriculture. Many farming inputs like seeds, fertilizers, and even farming equipment are imported. This increases costs and adds another layer of risk for UAE farmers, as global disruptions can affect their ability to farm effectively. What's available for UAE farmers? Crop insurance in the UAE is still developing. Current programs often focus on high-value crops like dates or crops grown in high-tech greenhouses. Who provides insurance? Insurance is provided by both local companies and international players. Examples include local providers like Emirates Insurance Company and global reinsurers who work with local companies to share the financial risk. What do policies cover? Policies usually cover natural disasters like drought and storms, pests and diseases, and damage to greenhouses and other infrastructure. Common gaps in coverage. Some risks, like gradual soil salinity damage or market price fluctuations, may not be included in all policies. Keeping farmers safe. A single bad season could bankrupt a farmer without insurance. Crop insurance provides a financial safety net, reducing the long-term risks of farming, helping farmers plan for the future. With insurance, farmers can take calculated risks, like trying new crops or investing in better equipment, knowing they're protected. Supporting innovation. Crop insurance programs that reward sustainable practices can encourage farmers to adopt modern, climate-resilient methods. Examples from global markets. India offers affordable insurance through government subsidies. In the US, farmers can combine multiple types of insurance for comprehensive protection. Why it's hard to offer insurance in the UAE. Climate conditions make it hard to predict risks. High costs of insurance premiums in a high-risk environment. Why some farmers don't use it. Farmers may see insurance as too expensive or unnecessary if they've never experienced a major loss. Potential solutions: government subsidies to lower premiums, education campaigns to raise awareness about insurance benefits. Questions farmers should ask. Farmers should ask themselves key questions to understand their risks and needs. What is my farm's biggest vulnerability, like drought, pests, or floods? How much would I lose financially if a disaster occurred? Does this insurance policy cover my specific crops and risks? What is the claims process like, and how quickly can I expect payments? How to find the right policy. Compare multiple providers. Farmers should obtain quotes from several insurance companies to find the best coverage at a reasonable premium. Understand local context. Farmers in the UAE must focus on policies tailored to arid climates and modern farming methods, like hydroponics or greenhouse farming. Seek expert advice. Speaking to agricultural consultants or other experienced farmers can help clarify options. What to watch out for. Exclusions. Policies often exclude losses due to gradual issues like soil degradation. Underinsurance. Farmers should ensure their coverage matches their full risk profile. Claim denial reasons. Policies may have strict rules about how claims are submitted or what evidence is required. Understanding deductibles and premiums. Deductibles. The amount the farmer must pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. For instance, if a farmer's deductible is AED 10,000, they will only be reimbursed for losses above this amount. Premiums. Farmers need to balance affordable premiums with sufficient coverage, often opting for a plan that fits their specific budget and risk tolerance. Real-life examples of farmers choosing insurance. A UAE greenhouse farmer opted for weather index insurance to protect against heatwave losses after a neighbor experienced major financial setbacks from extreme heat. A date palm grower found revenue insurance essential during a year of pest outbreaks, enabling recovery despite reduced yields. Chapter 7. The role of technology and new ideas. Using satellites and drones, new technologies are revolutionizing crop insurance. Satellites provide real-time monitoring of fields, helping insurers detect drought stress or flooding damage accurately. Drones, on the other hand, offer high-resolution imagery to evaluate crop health, reducing the time needed for physical inspections and making claims processing faster. Learning from other countries can also offer valuable lessons. For instance, India's PMFBI, or Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, uses mobile apps for enrollment and claims, a model that the UAE could adopt. In the United States, farmers use advanced forecasting models to negotiate customized policies with insurers. The potential of blockchain in crop insurance is immense. Blockchain ensures that all data, weather patterns, farmer records, and claims history, is stored securely. It prevents fraud and speeds up claims by creating a transparent, tamper-proof system. Additionally, big data and AI are transforming risk prediction. AI models analyze weather trends, pest outbreaks, and market prices to provide customized risk assessments. Insurers use predictive analytics to offer dynamic policies, adjusting premiums based on real-time risks. Chapter 8. What happens if you need to make a claim? The claims process typically involves these steps. First, notify the insurer. Farmers must report losses within the time frame specified in their policy. Next, damage assessment. Insurers may send loss adjusters or use technology like drones to evaluate the damage. Then, claims review. The insurer reviews documentation, photos, and any other evidence. Finally, payment. Once approved, farmers receive compensation based on the policy terms. Loss adjusters play a crucial role in this process. They are professionals who assess the extent of damage and determine how much compensation the farmer is entitled to. They visit fields to verify claims and use technology like satellite images and historical weather data. However, there are common mistakes farmers should avoid. Late reporting can result in denial of claims, and incomplete documentation can delay the process. Farmers must provide accurate records, including photos, receipts for inputs, and field logs. Digital solutions for claims management are becoming increasingly popular. Insurers in the UAE are adopting apps and online platforms for claims submission and tracking. Farmers can upload evidence digitally, reducing paperwork and speeding up processing times. Chapter 9. The impact of cloud seeding on crop insurance. Cloud seeding involves adding chemicals to clouds to increase rainfall. The UAE has been using this technology to address water scarcity and support agriculture. There are benefits and risks for farmers. On the positive side, cloud seeding can reduce drought risks and increase water availability for irrigation. However, excess rainfall from cloud seeding can cause flooding, waterlogging, and soil erosion, damaging crops. How does this affect insurance policies? Well, policies must now account for damages linked to human-made weather events. Insurers may include or exclude cloud seeding impacts depending on the policy. For example, excess rain from cloud seeding may require a specific type of add-on coverage. Case studies show the impact of cloud seeding. In 2021, heavy cloud seeding led to significant rainfall in the UAE, causing flooding in some agricultural areas. Farmers with flood coverage were compensated, but those without it faced heavy losses. Recommendations for farmers and insurers are clear. Farmers should discuss cloud seeding risks with their insurer and ensure their policy covers unexpected outcomes. Insurers need to incorporate cloud seeding data into their risk models to design better policies. Conclusion. Building a safer future for farmers. Crop insurance is an essential tool for creating a resilient agricultural sector in the UAE. It not only protects farmers from unexpected risks, but also encourages innovation and investment. With better awareness, advanced technology, and thoughtful policies, crop insurance can pave the way for a secure farming future in this arid nation.